Alright guys, so here is another quick little video on how to fix the notorious cup holder that does not work. As you can see, that one works, that one does not. So this is how you fix it. It's not really actually fixing the original one, but doing what I think is the best way, buying a new one. Everyone's out there fixing them, making the springs all crazy fast and them shooting out and stuff. Well, you can spend $50, $60 from BMW for a brand new one. So I think that's a little bit self-explanatory right there. Alright, so the absolute simplest and easiest way to do this without damaging all this. Flathead, Phillips, I like a smaller flathead. And all you do is you come into this corner, be very gentle, and just pry it up. Be very gentle with it, you don't want to scratch anything up. And from here, do is pull out gently, like it's all gross and nasty up in there, so definitely clean this off as well. Yep, still stuck. Take your Phillips, you might have to take your Phillips again. See, like mine, it's just all junk. It's so like nasty and like caked on and like, there you go. And so, that's funny. So I bought my car and I just figured that the normal spring issue gets unwound. The spring's not even in there, so it was for sure not coming out. Like, yeah, like it's nasty. They probably like spilt coffee on it or something, whoever owned this car previously. So I'm going to go grab a rag and I'm going to clean this up before I put the new one in. So, went ahead, I just got some glass cleaner. I'm gonna spray a little bit on here. Just kind of clean this up. You may not have to do this to yours, but mine was pretty gross in there, so just do that. Grab your new one. That works. There's like a little notch on the back that it has to like slide into. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Take your two screws. Make sure it's tight, make sure it works. Take your panel piece, if yours is dirty, clean it. If not, you can completely avoid this, but mine was kind of dirty in there. good enough. Line up the tabs. And you're done. There you go, simple as that.